Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to be scrapping an engraving computer. Never seen one before. I'd like to know what's in one of these. Let's check this out. So now this is the computer. Didn't come with a keyboard and it didn't come with a brand name. All I could find was information such as this legend, this reset button, to check your spelling, this model and serial number, which I could not find on the internet. But I do know this is an engraving computer. And it did come with a lot of cable. So first thing I want to do is detach these screws so I can get inside and unhook the cables. So now when I looked inside, I couldn't believe all these IC chips. There is a lot of IC chips in here. So now this is a sped up and uncut version of me removing all the cables. If you guys are interested in any of the tools I use, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see the tools such as the drill and driver. What I'm using here is a Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus drill. And this is the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus driver. Now, I've made other videos scrapping TVs. You can search through my videos to find that one. But this one is just removing the yoke from the actual tube. I know a lot of people like to bust open the tubes, but don't do that. Now this is called a Milwaukee Quick Adjust Reaming Pliers. So now this is a fan I'm removing from the computer. It's similar to a microwave fan. If you ever scrapped a microwave, you'll see a lot of similarities with this one. So now that the fan is removed, I'm going to score some of this tape to see if this is copper or just aluminum in the center. You can't really see it, but that's actual copper. So just with a few hits of the hammer, the piece comes right off. This is the same technique I use when I'm removing copper from the microwaves. And there you have number 2 copper. Now as for the yoke, you want to take that copper out. This is how I do it. I'll take like an old shirt, a towel, or any rag and just cover up the yoke and smash it with a hammer. By doing this, nothing goes flying in the air and you're protecting yourself from any debris. So now very quickly, this is bright wire, this is number 2 copper, and this is ferrite, also known as iron. So I did notice a lot in this computer, such as who made the boards. This little IC chip with some gold on it, and all these IC chips on all these telecom boards. So that's everything inside the computer. Now let's look at the price list. Alright guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please click that little like button at the bottom there. If you have a comment, please leave it in the description below. This is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, peace!